Good afternoon, everybody. We start with the global market news update today. Asia Pacific market mostly rise as investor awaits Federal Reserve rate decision. Overnight in the US, the S&P 500 notched an intraday record before closing below session high, but is still slightly higher on the day at 5,634. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 0.04% to close at 41,606 after it a fresh record during the session. The Nasdaq Composite added 0.2% to 17,628. Wall Street assessed the latest retail sales, which rose by 0.1% in August from the previous month, compared to the Reuters poll forecast of a 0.2% decline. Dollar catches footing ahead of Fed. The dollar studied on Wednesday as stronger than expected US retail sales had traders slightly trimming bets. Then the US easing cycle will begin with an outsized interest rate cut. The Federal Reserve is expected to make its first interest rate cut in more than 4 years at 1800 GMT, which will be followed by a news conference half an hour later. Oil prices steady with investor focusing on Fed decision. Gold flat as investor focus on Fed. Now coming to the Indian market update, we can see Nifty closed today at negative 41 point, that is around 0.16% negative. And the support level for tomorrow's trading session would be 25,239 followed by 25,202, and the resistance level would be around 25,545 followed by 25,597. Now coming to the Bank Nifty closed around 561 point positive, that is around 1.08% positive, and the support level would be around 49,809 followed by 49,248, and the resistance level for tomorrow's session would be around 54,123 followed by 55,187. Now coming to the mid cap close around negative 427 point, that is around negative 0.71%, and the support level would be around 59,377 followed by 59,168, and the resistance level would be around 63,89 followed by 65,97. As far as small cap is concerned, small cap closed around negative 75 point, that is around negative 0.39%. And today's support level would be around, support level for tomorrow would be around 19,216 followed by 19,109. And the resistance level would be around 19,678 followed by 19,749. Now coming to the sectoral update, we can see a good buying opportunity in diamond jewelry sector, rating sector, IT sector, alcohol sector, retailing sector, telecom sector, and aviation sector. And top deliveries we see in gas and transmission sector, retailing sector, automobile sector, diversified sector, and power sector. Now coming to the basket recommendation, we continue to hold with the financial services stock basket with the expected return of 10%. And the performance review so far is large cap performed till now 7.06%. Auto sector performed around 3.17%. Private bank basket performed around negative 1.55%. And Tata Group performed around 3.20%. And financial services performed around 5.92%.